go. He's up. He's like, it's all happening. Oh, he is gonna. Oh, it's all happening.
He's coming out.
Wow.
Wait, what do they begin as? What do
See
they?
that shell? You'll see in a second.
He just pulled his
He
butt
just
out.
morphed.
What do they begin as?
What?
I can't
Oh my
see.
god.
He's like, get out of my space.
It's probably gotta dry a little bit, right? See the shell that he was in?
Mm-hmm.
He's like 17 years in this.
No, he's not a red one.
This is like a green.
Ooh, they turn like black.
5 minutes ago, his
I know.
wings weren't even there yet.
That's cool.
And he's like,
He's gotta let it dry. He's gotta let his wings open up.
he's like, I'm just gonna hang here. You know how many like get picked off by birds?
Oh, yeah.
You know, that's probably why he came out right now.
They're annoying. Aren't they supposed to be big?
Well, he will get real loud. Like he does his wings. They move and then...
I mean, look at the cicada
Look at his wings already. Look in the back. Do the wings.
What if
Look at him.
What if he just floats off?
Look at them. You see him?
Yeah.
What if he just flies
Remember
off?
when we did butterflies?
Yeah.
You just have low batteries.
Oh,
It stopped.
the green stuff's coming out. I mean, see how the white's turning green in his wings? Slowly. That is awesome.
All the blood's like flowing through.
Yeah.
Looney, I can't see.
That's like when the butterflies.
It's nature.
Hello, mister. It's your butt out.
Remember when the butterflies fire?
Yeah.
And they were all, like all bloody from coming out of their shell.
Yeah. He's not bloody.
You see his gross shell though?
Mm-hmm. Is he pooping? Is that poop?
No, it looks like he's like little... Oh, it might be like a piece of...
Tail.
No, shell.
He's way bigger than that cicada shell.
That's why they have to...
Too cute.
That's cool. It's a really pretty color right now. Look how long his wings are now. It's like gold. Look at the gold color on him.
Oh, Ava, stop. It's just a cicada.
Hey, stop.
Oh, it wasn't like that.
Oh.
And he knows to hang on to his shell because his shell's
Look,
like...
look, his wings are moving back and forth.
I can see that.
There we go,
That's
just
the wing.
wings. No, I just saw him go like this.
What if you like just jumped away?
And you're backing up because he just
You would freak your
So
freak.
would you.
And you'll be like, oh my god,
So cool.
I have an egg.
You're such... You're lucky I'm recording. I totally fucking joke.
Stop, Power. Yeah, we think it's cool now until like we hear him later.
He's great.
His wings just grew like an inch.
Yeah, they
You're
do.
gonna make him blind if you keep shining that light on him. Let's go.
No, his wings totally...
Let's go.
They're pretty. That's not a cicada. That's a primanus shell. I mean, primanus egg.
Let's
Primanus
go.
shell. That is a